Welcome, friends. Today we continue our C2 journey. Our lesson is called Mastering Precision, using complex prepositions and multi-word connectors. At C2 level, we refine our ability to link ideas with precision. Complex prepositions and multi-word connectors allow us to express relationships clearly, whether in academic writing, professional dialogue, or nuanced conversation. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, and smile gently. Let's begin. Listen carefully. Repeat after me in accordance with respect to, in light of, by means of, in contrast to, in relation to, on behalf of, in the event of. These are complex prepositions. Let's say them together slowly. Now let's make sentences. In accordance with tradition, we celebrate together. With respect to your question, clarity is needed. In light of the weather, we stayed home. By means of cooperation, success was achieved. Repeat after me slowly. Notice how each phrase connects ideas precisely. At C2 level, complex connectors are common in academic and professional contexts. Examples: in accordance with ethical standards, the study was conducted carefully. With respect to policy, reforms are necessary. In light of recent evidence, the conclusion must be revised. By means of innovation, progress continues. Repeat after me. In accordance with ethical standards, the study was conducted carefully. With respect to policy, reforms are necessary. In light of recent evidence, the conclusion must be revised. By means of innovation, progress continues. At C2 level, we combine connectors with reasoning. Examples: in contrast to earlier findings, the new data suggest growth. In relation to mindfulness, awareness precedes transformation. On behalf of the team, gratitude is expressed. In the event of difficulty, resilience is required. Repeat after me. In contrast to earlier findings, the new data suggests growth. In relation to mindfulness, awareness precedes transformation. On behalf of the team, gratitude is expressed. In the event of difficulty, resilience is required. Let's imagine daily life. Morning. In light of my energy, I begin calmly. Afternoon. With respect to my work, I pause mindfully. Evening. In the event of fatigue, I rest. Repeat with me. In light of my energy, I begin calmly. With respect to my work, I pause mindfully. In the event of fatigue, I rest. Close your eyes for 1 minute. Think of a connector that guides your life today. Say softly in your mind, in accordance with awareness, I grow. With respect to peace, I continue. In light of compassion, I live. This is both English practice and mindfulness practice, noticing connectors with awareness. Today we learned our 21st C2 lesson, Mastering Precision, using complex prepositions and multi-word connectors. We practiced vocabulary in accordance with respect to, in light of, by means of, everyday and formal connector sentences, complex connector structures, reflection, mindfulness in linking ideas. These sentences help us speak and write more clearly with complex connectors, and they remind us to live mindfully by expressing relationships with awareness. Thank you for joining me. May your practice bring peace, clarity, and joy.